Ram Ram, Vanakkam, and a very warm welcome to every heart beating for our beautiful Bharat. Today is April 16, 2026, and I am deeply honored to be your companion once again as we look at the shifting stories written in our skies. मेरे दोस्तों, before we dive into the technical maps of the IMD, I have a very special Sattu energy secret for you today. If you stay with me until the very last minute of this video, I will share a traditional Bihari secret of making the perfect Sattu Sharbat with a twist of roasted cumin and black salt. This is the ultimate natural bodyguard that can actually keep your internal body temperature stable even when the outside garmi is trying to break you. It is a piece of our heritage that makes a big difference for our brothers working in the open fields, so don't miss it. आज हमारे देश का मौसम feels like a land of two extremes. एक तरफ आग बरस रही है and on the other side the mountains are breathing with cool rain. भाइयों और बहनों, the key headlines for this Thursday are filled with a sense of urgency. The most critical news today is the continuation of the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions over Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal. This is not just a hot day, it is a severe climate alert for our brothers and sisters there. And now Bihar has also joined this list with a fresh heat wave alert. Simultaneously, we are seeing a persistent wet spell over the northeast, particularly the Seven Sisters, where the clouds are gathering with immense power. In the northwest, the story is one of rising vigil as a new western disturbance starts to touch the peaks of our Himalayas. It is a day where half of India is searching for shade from the sun, while the other half is looking for cover from the rain and lightning. To understand why our atmosphere is so stirred up, let's look at the satellite and systems analysis from the IMD. Our experts have identified a cyclonic circulation lying over northeast Rajasthan and its neighborhood. This is interacting with a trough, a long line of low pressure that runs from this circulation all the way down to north interior Karnataka. Think of this trough as a Mausam or a highway for moisture and wind. At the same time, a powerful western disturbance as a cyclonic circulation is sitting over the middle tropospheric levels with a trough along longitude 65 degrees east. These invisible systems are the true directors of the drama we see in the sky today, balancing extreme heat in the east and sudden bijli or lightning in the north and south. Moving our gaze to North India and the majestic Himalayas, today marks a period of rising vigil. In Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh and Gilgit-Baltistan, the weather is turning restless. We expect scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall and even snowfall over the higher peaks today. Listen carefully, there is an isolated hailstorm warning for Jammu Kashmir today. In the plains of Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh, the Mausam is shushk or dry, but we are seeing strong surface winds reaching speeds of 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. These winds are like a double-edged sword. They provide a slight breeze but also carry away the moisture from your skin and crops. If you are in Delhi, temperatures are staying 2 to 4 degrees Celsius above normal, making the afternoon sun feel like a furnace. Now let's talk about central and western India, the land of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. The dry weather is dominating here with an iron hand. In Gujarat, especially the coastal areas, the IMD continues to warn of hot and humid conditions. This is that sticky, exhausting garmi that saps the strength of our workers. In Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, the maximum temperatures are stubbornly high. Remember to keep your matka water close. Natural cooling from the earth is the best way to keep your body stable. In the afternoons, the winds in Rajasthan will be tez and dry, so please cover your face with a cotton gamcha to protect yourself from the dust and heat. Shifting to the east and south, the situation remains very serious and my heart goes out to you. My dear brothers and sisters in Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal, you are under a severe heat wave alert that is expected to last until the 19th of April. Temperatures are hitting 40 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius in many pockets. Bihar is also feeling the heat now. However, look to the northeast, the Seven Sisters. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya Meghalaya are seeing widespread rainfall. The IMD warns of isolated heavy rainfall in Arunachal today. While this rain is a vardhan or blessing for the soil, the lightning and sudden heavy falls can be khatarnak. Please stay away from open fields and tall trees during these thunderstorms. In the south, isolated rain will provide some relief to Kerala and interior Karnataka, but the humidity will remain high. This brings us to the most vital part of our update, the battle for the harvest. My dear Annadata, you are the soul of this nation. Based on the agro advisory from the IMD, here is your plan. For our farmers in the north, especially Punjab and Haryana, since the weather is dry and windy, please speed up the harvesting and threshing of your Rabi crops like wheat. This is the perfect window before the next western disturbance brings rain to the plains on the 17th. For our brothers in the northeast, please ensure there is no pani ka jamav or water standing in your vegetable fields. Use the breaks in the rain to clear your drainage channels. In the heatwave zones of Odisha and Bengal, provide light irrigation to your crops only in the late evening or early morning. For our livestock, keep them inside the shed during peak heat and cover the roof of your poultry sheds with grass or gunny bags to keep the garam hawa away. Your safety plan for April 16th is simple but life-saving. The peak heat hours are from 11 am to 4 pm. If you are in the heat wave regions, please avoid heavy outdoor work during this window. Always carry your chhatri or umbrella. Keep your children and the elderly hydrated with nimbu pani or chas. A little bit of salt and sugar in your water can be the difference between health and heat stroke. I want to hear from every corner of Bharat today. Is the sun too bright in your village in Bihar? Are the clouds gathering in your mountains in Himachal? Please write to me in the comments. Your updates help your fellow citizens stay prepared. Before I go, here is the secret I promised. To make the best Sattu Sharbat, mix 2 spoons of Sattu in chilled matka water, add a pinch of roasted jeera powder, black salt and a few drops of lemon. Drink this before you head out into the sun. It acts like a cooling shield for your stomach and prevents heat exhaustion. May your fields stay green and your family stay safe. Jai Hind. I will see you tomorrow with another update on our beautiful skies. Stay protected.